Hello, and welcome to Michael's Baths, your one-stop shop for senior bathroom installations in Marthasville, Missouri. Are you growing tired of your outdated bathroom design? Need to upgrade your bathroom to be more senior-friendly? Would you like a brand new bathroom installed by professionals? If so, and you live in Marthasville, Missouri, then you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local senior bathroom conversion company, and we pride ourselves on being reliable, professional, and affordable. We're fully insured and licensed, and we can help you design and install the senior bathroom of your dreams. Contact us now for a free no-obligation consultation to upgrade your bathroom with a senior bathroom installation. Thank you for watching. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Go ahead and scan the QR code now to get a free quote. What are you waiting for? Scan the QR code now and you can get a free quote as early as tomorrow.